Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enable Discord so that it starts up when you open up like your PC. So go to user settings and go and select the Windows settings here. I'm not sure about like MacBook and stuff, but go to Windows settings and make sure you enable these. Open Discord, and if you want to you can also start it in minimize so that when you open up your PC it's going to open the app, but it's going to start minimized so it won't it will remain out of your way. But if you don't want to, just select this button so that it will not open up and start it, but I'm just going to enable it. You can also minimize to trace so that you can actually close Discord while you're still like talking to them, and it won't be like opened in the app, but it will be in the tray here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.